I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problem Solving.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we are taking Excel chapter 3 simulation exam. I will guide you through this exam step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can run your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quiz or complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can handle your all online courses, accounting, finance, Excel, math, Word, PowerPoint, SAS, writing and many more courses. If you do not able to do this exam, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete exam for you with A+ grade. Let's start our exam to solve step by step. Question 1 is that select the range A4 to F11. Use the insert tab to create a cluster column chart. Basically, in this question, we will create a cluster column chart using this range A4 to F4. Okay, first we will select this range, cell F4 to first we will enter this range and then go to the insert tab, click on recommended chart and select cluster column chart. This question is done now. Then cut the selected chart and paste into cut the selected chart and paste into cell A15. Basically, in this question we will cut the chart. Right click on this chart, or you can go to the home tab and cut it and paste into cell A15. Okay, right click on this chart, cut it and paste into the cell A15. Okay, then adjust the height of column chart to 3.5 inches and the width 6.3 inches. Close the open task pane is if necessary. Basically, in this question we will adjust the height of column chart to 3.5 inches and then width of to 3.6 inches. Okay, click on chart, go to the format tab and then we will change this height and width. First we will 3.5 inches is the width. Okay, height of chart is 3.5 inches and 6.3 is width of chart. Okay, question is done now. Next question is that question number 3 is that select the range A4 to A11 and then E4 to F11 and use the recommended charts feature to create a stacked bar chart. Okay, basically in this question first we will select these two ranges A4 to A11 and then select second range E4 to F11 and then we will go to the insert tab and click on recommended chart and create a recommended chart to feature create stacked bar chart. Okay, first we will enter this range A4 to A11 and then press Ctrl and select second range E4 to F11. For second range press Ctrl and then click on this second range, select, then click on insert tab, click on recommended chart and select stacked bar chart is here, all charts, and click on stacked bar chart. This is done now. Change the chart from a stacked bar to default cluster bar chart type. Okay, basically in this question we will change the chart type. Okay, change the chart from stacked bar to a default cluster bar chart. Basically in this question we will change the chart type, click on change chart type. Okay, you can see, click on chart design and you can see change chart type. Okay, change chart type will be see here, you can see here change chart type. Okay, then select cluster bar chart type, cluster bar chart type, you can select this. Okay, move the selected chart, move the selected bar chart to chart sheet name 2024-2025. Okay, click on new sheet here. Okay, first we click on chart design and then click on move chart is here, you can see here move chart and then new sheet, we will click on new sheet and new sheet name is 2024-2025 is here. Okay, 2024-2025, then press OK. Okay, this question is done now. Now we're moving on next question. display 2025 data sheet. Okay, here is 2025 data sheet. You can see here we will display this sheet. Okay, on the 2025 data worksheet, select the range A4 to B10 and then use quick analysis to create a default pie chart. Okay, we will select cell A4 to B10. Okay, A4 to B10 and then right click on this and then quick analysis tool. Okay, select this range A4 to B10 and right click on this and open quick analysis tools and then click on charts and then select pie charts. Select pie chart. Okay, move the chart to new sheet 2025 pie chart sheet. Okay, click on move chart, new sheet, 2025 chart sheets. Here is you can rename as 2025 pie chart, 2025 pie chart, then click on OK, 2025 pie chart, then click on OK. This is done now. Next question is that question number 4. Display attendee data sheet. Okay, here is attendee data sheet. You can see this attendee data sheet will be displayed. Okay, on the attendee data worksheet, select the range A4 to A11 and F4 to G11 and use the insert tab to create a cluster column combo chart with a line on secondary axis. Okay, basically in this question we will select this ranges A4 to A11 and then second ranges F4 to G11. Go to the insert tab, go to the combo chart. Is here you can see combo chart and select combo chart, line on secondary axis is here, press OK. Combo chart will be selected. Okay, then we will move the chart to new sheet. Here is move chart and we will move the chart new sheet 2025 combo chart sheet. We will move chart to new sheet 2025 combo chart sheet. You can tap here 2025 combo chart sheet. Okay, then click on OK. This question is completely done now. Now moving on, next question is question number 5. Okay, tap 2025 job fair attendee as the chart title for the combo chart, bold the title and change the font size to 16. Okay, here is chart title. We will tap here chart title and click on home tab and then bold and change the font size to 16. You can copy this or you can tap here 2025 job fair attendee. Job fair attendee. Okay, then press enter. Combo chart title will be added and then bold the title and then change the font size to 16. Go to the home tab, click on bold and then go to the font size and select 16 font size. Okay, apply blue accent 1 under theme color to the chart title. Fifth color first row, fifth column first row. Okay, fifth column first row. Okay, apply blue accent color. Right click on this chart. Okay, select chart title, go to the fill color and fifth column first column, fifth column first row. This is done now. Next question is that use the chart elements button to display the primary vertical axis title. Okay, use the chart elements button to display the primary vertical axis title for the bar chart type location as the axis title. Okay, click on axis title, click on primary vertical. Okay, we will add primary vertical title location. Location as the primary vertical axis title. You can tap here location. Okay, press enter. LOCATION. Okay, apply black text 1 font color to the vertical axis title. Select this, go to the home tab and then go to the font color and then we will apply black text font color. Okay, here is black text font color. This is done now. Modify the horizontal axis so the maximum bound is 11,000. Keep the format axis paint displayed. Basically in this question we will add the maximum bound. Okay, right click on this chart and then click on axis format. Okay, click on value axis, click on format axis, and we will enter maximum bound 11,000. Here is 11,000. Okay, modify the horizontal axis so that minimum bound is 1000, then we will add minimum bound is 1000. Okay, minimum bound is 1000. Okay, change the horizontal axis display unit to 1000 and then close the task pane. Okay, change units to 1000, display units 1000. Okay, then close the task pane. Okay, black text one font color to the horizontal axis. You can select horizontal axis and go to the home tab and then apply black text font color is here. This is done now. Custom 6 is completely done now. Now moving on customer 7. Display outside and data labels on the pie chart. Choose the charts element menu. Okay, display outside and data label on the pie chart. Click on plus sign is here and then we will go to the data label outside and position. Okay, outside and data label on the pie chart, choose the chart elements. Okay, click on plus sign, click on data label outside and position. This is done now. Then use the format data label task pane to display percentage data label and remove the value data label. Close the task pane. Okay, open the data labels and then format data labels. Okay, click on percentage and categories and remove the value. Apply bold to the data label, select data label, go to the home tab, click on bold. Apply 14 font size to the data label. Okay, go to the font size and then apply 14 font size to the data label. This custom is done now. Okay, with the pie chart selected, format the chart area with the gradient field using the percent. Okay, preset gradient light gradient SN2. Okay, with the pie chart selected, format the chart area. Click on chart area. Right click on this and click on chart area and click on gradient field. Okay, sorry. Preset gradient light gradient SN2. Gradient field and preset gradient. Here is preset gradient light gradient SN2. Light gradient SN1 is here and then is light gradient SN2. This is done now. Okay, use alt text pane to enter the pie chart. Display the percentage of 2025 job fair attendee from each location. Okay, right click on this chart and then click on alt text. Right click on this chart, click on add alt text and click on this box and then we will tap the pie chart. Display the percentage. The pie chart displays the percentage of 2025 job fair attendee for each location. Percentage of 2025. You can copy or paste here, you can type here job fair for each location. Okay, you can tap here. This is done now. Then close the task pane. Close the text pane, alt text pane. Close this alt text pane. Apply blue solid fill color to the Lake Mary slice. Keep the task pane open. Okay. We will apply blue Mary slice. Okay, solid fill color to the Lake Mary slice. Click on Lake Mary slice and then apply purple solid color. Click on purple solid color. Okay, explore this central all auto slash 5%, select this central all auto slice, and then we will explode this 5%. You can explode this slice. Okay, this slice will be explored. Point explosion is 5%. Okay, this is done now. Close the task pane. Okay, you can see I have done 8 questions of this simulation exam. For remaining 3 questions, or you want to do for a complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assess, writing, and many more courses. Please contact me for your any course help, any assignment help. I will be available 24 hours, and I will do with A plus grade with very reasonable price. Please subscribe my channel to see and follow video in future on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel, like my video. I will upload complete course on my YouTube channel. I will help you in your future. If you do not able to do this assignment course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do complete course for you. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my art students.